What's up, little pig? You gonna have me put them doggies up? Let's do this. What's up, turkey? The turkey, the turkey, the turkey. Gobble, gobble, mother trucker. Gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble, I waited too long. They're already up. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it. What in tarnation y'all got popping? I waited too long. They're already posted up in all their strategic locations. Come on, little bizzle, whizzle, is on the is for shizzle. What's up, chicken head? Chicken, 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 chicken. You ain't no damn chicken. What's up, pretty girl? I love you, baby. Come on, little bizzle, whizzle, whizzle, on the dizzle. Come on, let's rock this kid. Come on, baby girl. What the hell? I got chickens everywhere, chickens everywhere, chicken everywhere. Chickens everywhere. God damn, chickens everywhere. Dad, you got the keys to the truck? Cause the windows are down. You do? You got the keys though? Alright, be careful. Hey, ducky, ducky, duckies. What's up, ducky? Come here, little way. Come here, little homito. Hey, little bohemian. What you doing over there, puppy? Hey, cha. No, you better leave my duck alone. Yeah, that duck gonna get you. Get him, Giddy. Get him, Giddy. Get that duck, Giddy. I mean, get that turkey for being a perky durkey. Get that rooster for being a jerkity workity. Yeah, that's what you get messing with my duck tails. To do. Duck tails, to do. Every day a new adventure. Little bit, where you at? Come on, little bit now. Up. Little bit. Come on, little bit. What's that, Johnny Gobble? That's that Johnny Gobble. And Durkey White. Durkey's in the lead. Johnny in the back. Checking out the view. Johnny Gobble. What up, Johnny? You want to surge on the border? Johnny Gobble. Johnny. Gobble. Gobble. Gobble, motherfucker. Come on, little bit. Little bit, where you at, little bizzo? Super Nintendo. Little bit, get your butt over here right. Get your junkyard dog ass over here. Alright, y'all. Thanks a lot for watching. Remember to God, all things are possible. Peace.